Picture this. There are places where every single receipt handed out is doing more than just tallying purchases. It's charting a nation's future. What if every transaction you made didn't just end with a sale, but became part of something bigger, part of a national movement to fund schools, hospitals, and roads that can change lives?
That's what they do in Rwanda.
In Rwanda, this idea isn't just a hope, it's reality. Through the introduction of the electronic billing machine, or EBM, Rwanda has shown the continent and the world how technology can bridge the gaps in tax revenue.
What you do is you put the encrypted device on the machine. It records everything. Business secrets aren't disappearing. I don't know that you, Senator Kruger, came in and purchased something, but I do know that there was a purchase on a particular day. I can't tie the purchase back to you, but I can identify that there was a purchase and that it came in cash and it was for such and such amount. And if I'm sitting back in the tax administration, I can find out that, yeah, they were doing business. And all of a sudden I find out, darn, their busiest day of the week was Saturday, and they weren't closed on Saturday, and I don't have any data reports for Saturday. Then I send out somebody to talk to them.
It's an approach that has achieved nothing short of an economic leap, driving VAT revenues up by more than 200% in the last decade. Rwanda's VAT collection surged from 259 billion Rwandan francs in 2013 to a staggering 792 billion today, turning these simple transactions into engines of national progress. These numbers, though impressive, tell only part of the story. Each VAT receipt represents a choice, a decision by every Rwandan to contribute to be a partner in their country's success. And for the first time, this partnership is visible. Tax contributions are linked directly to national projects, creating a clear connection between every payment and the progress it funds. For Rwandans, tax compliance is no longer a chore. It became a contribution, something they can see and believe in. Through simple, clear steps like the EBM and initiatives like Taxpayers Appreciation Month, Rwanda citizens are recognized as active investors in the nation's progress. This approach has forged a genuine social contract of trust that's essential, not just to tax systems, but to the very spirit of a nation. But even as Rwanda celebrates these achievements, there are challenges to solve. For small businesses, cost and connectivity issues remain. These are the reasons why Rwandan Revenue Authority should seize this room for improvement. Whether through providing subsidies to small business, opening the fiscal device market competition, or by developing offline features, longevity of the EBM project is at stake. By doing so, EBM will continue to stand as a commitment to enabling every Rwandan, from the smallest trader to the largest firm, to be a part of this journey, while the tax gap will shrink further. What Rwanda has achieved is not just about taxes or revenue. It's about shared responsibility and shared rewards. When every receipt supports a school, a hospital, or a road, compliance isn't a duty, it's a source of pride. And for African nations looking to build trust and boost growth, Rwanda has set a remarkable example. Following on that, we, the RegTech, reassure every government of the developing world to make every transaction count and every citizen a partner in national financial progress.